Welcome to day 64 of me backtesting my way to success. First trade was a loss, and the reasons why I entered were this daily family gap right here, equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high, and I entered inside of the golden zone on a breaker structure. The profits were this area of liquidity and the swing high. I did see this 4-hour breaker block right here, but because of impatience, I didn't wait for a price to go into it because I also saw like this equilibrium, which is also pretty good. This is also a decent swing low, but I think this one was in this case more correct because the gold zone is inside of the 4-hour breaker block, and it makes sense. Had I been patient, I probably would have entered right here on this candle. The broke structure to the upside. Take profits would have been this area of liquidity, this one and this one. So I would have had like one take profit more, given it a bit more breathing room, but still would have gotten stopped out. Probably would have moved my stop loss to the break even once my first TP got hit. And also, yeah, that's also what I originally thought that I can take from this trade was to move my stop loss to the break even, because right here price didn't take out my TP but kind of reversed on me, and so I should have moved my stop loss to the break even. But actually after I saw like this swing low, that made kind of more sense. That's when I noticed that my first mistake was impatience. So let's just see how the next one goes. Next trade was also a loss, and the reasons why I entered were equilibrium from the swing high to the swing low liquidity sweep, and inside of the golden zone a breakup structure. Right here I entered kind of late because I was like in the 1 hours and skipped forward. So that's that. Stop loss above the high. Take profits were this 4-hour volume area of this consolidation, this area of liquidity, and also this area of liquidity. I was planning to move my stop loss to the break even after my first take profit was hit, but yeah, I just got stopped out. Price continues to go up, and I actually think the reason as to why I lost, or the reason as to why I shouldn't have taken this trade, was because I wasn't trading with an order block, breaker block, fair value gap, because that's what I usually do. But I just wanted to try it out, how, like, if I can trade without him. Obviously, one trade doesn't tell you much if you can trade without it or not. But yes, I wanted to try. So yeah, let's just see how the next one goes. Next trade was also a loss, and the reasons why I entered were 4-hour order block right here, 2-hour fair value gap right above it, equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high, a liquidity sweep of this area into all those confluences plus the golden zone. I entered on a break structure once again. So I entered right here because that's the first good break structure that I could see, since I want it to close above the candle's wick even, and this candle didn't close above this wicks, and so it only really did it right here. That's why I entered so late. Stop loss was the bottom of this 4-hour order block. Take profits were the beginning of this 4-hour fair value gap and the beginning of this 4-hour order block, as well as the swing high. I got stopped out, and because I honestly don't know why I got stopped out, I got like 6 confluences. So I fast forwarded a bit, and I noticed that price reversed like in this area, but because I copied this Fibonacci these Fibonacci settings from a friend of mine. I have no idea what this area means, because price has yet to go into this area, at least while I've noticed it. And so I'm going to ask him what this area is. Maybe I'm going to take a couple of trades in the following days with this, at least if he tells me what this means. And so that's already it for today's episode. We'll see you in the next one.